This is a problem off of the review sheet that we did today. It's from section 5.3, and it's solving exponential equations. And it's very similar to problem number 72 on page 281, which was a part of your homework assignment. So the key to solving this is to know a couple of things. One you want to remember is that if a to the x is equal to a to the y, that x equals y. In other words, when I'm trying to solve an equation, if I can get the same base, I can get rid of the bases altogether and just deal with the exponents. It's like saying, if 5 squared is equal to 5 to the x, you know that x is equal to 2. So what we want to do here is we want to look at the problem and see if there's any way that we can get the same base. And I can see that I have 2 as one of my bases. And I also know that 8 is, I can reach 8 by powers of 2, and I can reach 4 by powers of 2. So it's not going to be that tough to get the same base, because I can change this to 2 squared to the 2x, and I can change this to 2 cubed to the x squared, and now that equals 2 to the negative 1. Well, I still don't quite have the same base, but since I have 2 to a power, this is the same as 2 to the 4x times 2 to the 3x squared. I'm just multiplying the 3 times the x squared, is equal to 2 to the negative 1. And now I'm almost there, because I have the same base right here, just like if I had a to the 5th times a to the 3rd, that's equal to a to the 5 plus 3 equals a to the 8th. I am multiplying 2 terms together, and they have the same base. So this is 2 to the 4x plus 3x squared, and this is still 2 to the negative 1. But I've been told that they're equal, so I don't really need the bases anymore. I know that 4x plus 3x squared is equal to negative 1. So I'm going to write 4x plus 3x squared equals negative 1. I'm going to put that in standard form. I'm going to go 3x squared plus 4x, and I'm going to add 1 to both sides, plus 1 equals 0. I think I can factor this. I'm going to factor this into 3x and x, and 1 and 1, and I think I can add them together. And sure enough, I get 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. And now I know that on this side right here, 3x plus 1 equals 0, and x plus 1 equals 0. So here I have 3x equals negative 1, x equals negative 1/3, and over here I have x equals negative 1. So the 2 answers that I have for this problem are x equals negative 1/3 and x equals negative 1.